Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites, data shape, label distribution, and an 80/20 train/validation split. Next, install Python and core libs like scikit-learn, pandas, numpy so you can prototype quickly. Once done, define your blocking objective. Are you preventing label leakage or improving inference throughput? Because that choice drives method selection. Make sure to set a reproducible seed and document metrics to track. This immediate foundation lets you run the first blocking experiment without delays. Now implement the blocking logic itself. Begin by choosing rule-based, hashing, or learned blocking depending on precision/recall trade-offs. Then encode features, tokenization, engrams for text, or numeric bucketing for continuous fields so keys are stable. Use those encodings to construct block keys and build an inverted index for fast lookup. Once you have candidate pairs, filter with lightweight heuristics to reduce volume. Make sure to log candidate counts and timings to evaluate efficiency versus quality. Finish by running an end-to-end evaluation measuring precision, recall, and latency so you can balance accuracy versus cost. Then tune block size and thresholds. If you use a re-ranking model, train and integrate it after blocking. Once tuned, deploy the pipeline with monitoring for candidate volume and error rates. If things go wrong, use one key troubleshooting tip. When you miss matches, loosen key criteria. When you get too many candidates, tighten or add a cheap filter. Iteratively adjust and reevaluate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.